Hello, Fly Babies. It's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday. We have a 2-layer cake if you're an at-home Fly Baby, and a 3-layer cake if you are a payroll Fly Baby. Here we go. Payroll first. Payroll Fly Babies, get up in the morning before the family, do your morning routine, put your children through their routine. Now, this is Family Fun Day. So in order to have time to do that, I'm going to suggest you stick to your regular sleep cycle. Get up at your regular time. If the kids are sleeping in and you want to let them do that, I wouldn't let them sleep in really late, but especially the teenagers, you can let them sleep later. And it actually gives you a little free time more for yourself. So what you're going to do is do your morning routine, and then after that you're going to do put in a load of laundry because you probably still have some. You're going to do your paper routine, which is 6 days a week. And then you're going to do anything that you didn't get done this week. So remember, after work, I always like you, when you have your dinner simmering, to do your routine no, not your routine, your basic weekly plan item that you may not have gotten done during the day. Like if the children didn't do the weekly home blessing hour item and they have a consequence, then you're going to do it. And that's 10 minutes. And your zone. So you may have missed some of that, so you may be doing a little of that this weekend. Hopefully you're learning to do it every day and you won't have so much to do on the weekend. You may also not have you may not live in an area that has either pickup or delivery for your groceries. In that case, either if you haven't been able to delegate it, then you may have to go do groceries today and some other errands. But hopefully you'll get everything done by noon, so that from noon on for the rest of the weekend, it's Family Fun Day and Renew Your Spirit Day. All right, so now if you had a late date last night, you can get up a little later too. But I'm hoping that you don't spend too much time in the bed and then when you get up at like 10 or 11, you're dreading this because you maybe have 3 hours of stuff to do and you don't want to do it. And then you just sit around in your PJs drinking coffee, and before you know it, it's 4 in the afternoon and nothing's been done, and then you feel like, ugh. So please get up and do it. You'll feel so much better, I promise. Okay. For at-home Fly Babies, you're going to get up and do your morning routine, put the children through their routines, and go through your inch of paper. Your laundry has been done during the week. Your basic weekly plans have been done during the week. Your zone has been done during the week. So you're having Family Fun Day now. Now, if you missed any of that stuff, I don't want you to make it up. I want you to make sure you do it next week. But you're not going to play catch up. It's like being on a diet. If you're on a diet and you screw up one day and you eat wrong, you can't make up for that the next day. The body doesn't work that way, and your body doesn't work that way. Making up for lost time in your home will only burn you out. So let it go, do it next week, declare to yourself that you will, and make your plan, okay? So you are gonna do your paper routine, and then you're gonna have Family Fun Day. After dinner routine is for everyone, at work people and, payroll people and at home people. So after you've had dinner tonight, and you know it's a Saturday and it might be pizza, but you're still gonna have dinner as a family and after dinner routine, whether it's throw the paper plates in the garbage or put the china in the dishwasher. It doesn't matter, we're still gonna have after dinner routine because everyone ate, and we don't want a sloppy house with cola cans and pizza plates sitting around, right? Okay, then we're going to do our before bed routine, including looking at your planner. Remember, your morning and your before bed routines always include looking at your planner. We're also going to do our 3rd clutter check. So even though it's Saturday, even if you're at home, you've got a morning clutter check, an afternoon clutter check, and a before bed clutter check to keep your house from getting recluttered. It's going to be so that these are very simple and not a big deal. Everything seems like a big deal in the beginning, but as you do this over and over, it'll get easier and easier. Okay, then our before bed routine, and don't forget, tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit Day. So if you're planning on going to church, you've been having a hard time getting to church, remember to lay out your clothes for church, to talk to your family about going to church, to get their clothes laid out for church. Little children don't have an option. They need to go to church with you if you're going to church. If you want your children to decide for themselves about their own spirituality, how can they do that without information? So everyone does finally make their own decision at some point in their life, but my thinking, and you may disagree with me and that's fine, is that they need to go with you to worship, so that they learn about what they are choosing later. Okay? All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous Saturday, and always remember that you are beautiful. Mwah.